Hello episodes, this is about Suzuki Max 100 or revamp, and these are the main chapters which I covered for the restoration video, and this is exclusively about Suzuki Max 100 or chapter 11 unboxing, and in that today we are in part 3 unboxing the turn indicator. The manufacturer is Swiss Auto Private Limited, Delhi based company, same as the wiring harness manufacturer which you saw in the part 2 of this video, and the price of a single pair is 214, that is LH and RH of front is 214 and rear is 214. They manufactured in 18/6/2022, the same date which I born, 18/06/1990, and this is manufactured in 2022, and I bought in Chennai 2022, and the indicators are okay, good in quality. 3 are okay, one was like shaking, inside the indicators are shaking. It all come with bulb in it, and the original one which I had was like little light in color. This is darker than that. Mine is a 2002 model Max R100, so when they came, it came with light color. The previous model will be like darker color. The same condition was for Splendor and other bikes I have seen in many bikes, and the rubber part is a part where it cuts easily. After using only you have to say, and as of now it is okay. And for other videos see the description and the playlist. Bye.